Mitochondria is called the powerhouse of the cell because it is responsible for producing most of the cell's energy, or adenosine triphosphate. Mitochondria are able to multiply in response to the energy needs of
Y a mí me vuelve loco tu forma de ser, tu egoísmo y tu soledad, como estrellas en la noche.
Can I turn the light off now?
Mm-hmm.
No hiccups?